Hey everybody, welcome to my another video here viral. Today I'm going to show you how can you remove a Google account of an Android phone. The process will vary slightly based on which Android phone you have, but I'm going to just give you a general framework of where to go and what to do to remove a Google account of an Android phone. Let's jump to right my mobile. So before that we will go in settings, and then you can see here we will search here for account, or you can go by in this way my slide bar. I will go from this settings, and then we will go on first of all search settings, and we will type here account. We can see here accounts and sync. You can see here in second line, so I'm going to click here, and then we will go on Google. You can see here, and then you can see my Gmail account list. I have many Gmail, but I'm showing only one, so I'll go on more and then click the Gmail, and then we can see here 3 dot for more, and I'm going to click here more, and then you can see here remove account. So you can see here removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from this phone. You can see here before removing you have to be clear we will deleting this, and then you can see it takes some times to load and to remove from this our mobile Gmail. So in this way you can delete or remove your Gmail account, and then you can see after some time it will be deleted. You can see here, and then all systems are same, but only the interface are different. So in this way you can change your and remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. I hope you like this video. Please make sure hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and share this video. It really motivates me to make awesome stuff for you. Stay tuned for all the latest stuff. Keep sharing, keep supporting. Goodbye.